Hey Josh, how are you, man?
Good, Derek. How you doing? Looks like you have
Okay.
a nice accessory today.
Yeah, you like my hat?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah,
The giraffe on top is a nice touch.
Yeah, yeah, it's my daughter's hat, but I'm always a rebel, so I'm gonna turn my hat around, and that's what you'll be seeing on my hat.
So now I'm being mooned by the giraffe. That's nice.
Yes, yeah, there's a moon, giraffe moon for you here. So yeah,
Okay,
but
so
upholding
we're
my
back
end of the
again this
bet.
week
Yeah.
with a whole new set of ramps, and so this time we
Yeah.
have 4 instead of 3. And
Four
so
rounds. Okay.
I guess we have to come up with some bet for this week. You know,
Ooh, what would
you have
that
any
be?
ideas?
Yeah, I have a ton more hats, so I can switch. I'm not worried about not having any hats. Here's another one. Gonna see the pink one, or you're gonna see this one? Yeah, ears and
Well,
stuff like that.
as long as you lose, that's okay.
Yeah, I mean I'm prepared, but I'm not gonna lose. You're gonna lose, so you better be prepared.
Well, I don't have any fancy hats like you have.
Yeah, so what are you gonna do?
I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to wear something else on my head. I'll have to find something to wear on
You
my
can
head. Maybe my
you
wife
can wear
has
your
a hat
wife's
that I can
ribbon
use.
on your hair or something. Yeah.
Maybe my wife has a hat I can use.
Yeah, you can use a hat, like a hat with flowers.
I'll find one.
All right, cool.
Okay, so this week you have to pick the winner and you have to pick the loser. So the first one to hit the wall and the last one to hit the wall. So you want to take a guess at this?
Okay, I'm gonna guess that the first one will be the pink one. The first one that hits the wall will be the pink, and then the last one will be the red. Will be my guess
So you think
from last week's
pink-
experience.
Pink and red.
Yeah, pink first, and then red last. Yeah.
So you want to give some idea about why you think that?
Well, I mean, last week we saw how if the ball flew off the ramp, we gain up linear momentum, or the momentum in the horizontal direction gets transferred to the vertical direction, and we lose the speed in the horizontal direction to get to the wall as quickly as possible. So I'm guessing that for the pink, it will roll down faster here. I might jump up. Should I choose? Well, I mean, it gains some momentum. It'll fly up. I don't know. It doesn't look
So
like
you
it'll
think the
fly
pink
very
one's gonna
high.
bounce?
Yeah, it might bounce, actually. Yeah. So either green or pink will be good, I think. But I don't know. I'm just going to go with pink just to see, whether I can still put on hopes for a ball going that kind of shape there. And then after that, it ramps down. So I think I gained some good kinetic energy here. Okay. And what do I have to lose anyways? Because, so you have to give your guess too, Josh. I mean, like...
Yes. Okay, so if you're going pink is first and red is fourth,
Right.
then I'm going to go green is first and blue is fourth.
Okay. I don't have a good
Make it
feeling about this, All right, but, a bet is a bet. Let's just go on ahead and see.
Okay, let me slow the simulation down a little bit.
Yeah. Slow it down.
Okay, are you ready you ready to lose?
All right, win it, lose it, whatever.
Okay.
Just go, man.
Let's run this and let's see.
All right, go. Oh man, that's a
That's
slow
incredibly slow.
simulation. Yeah. Get it to go faster. Yeah. Oh no, the pinks.
So it looks like either green or blue is going to win. So green is first.
Oh man.
Blue is second, pink is third, and red is fourth.
Oh, I was
that
right
right?
on the last one. I was right that red is last.
Let's speed that up and run it again.
Yeah, let's run it again.
So definitely green was first, right?
Yeah.
Green, blue, pink, red.
Yeah, I was right that red is last.
So you were 50% right, and I was 50% right.
Oh, so it's a tie. So how are we gonna deal with that? I think both of us gotta wear hats then.
I think so too. Yeah, I think that's fair.
All right, fair enough. Then we'll wear hats.
Okay, so you want to take a look at why?
Yeah, let's have a look at why red was last. But actually, for me, red is obviously going to be last because of the ramps. Now, the reason why I guess pink might be faster because I thought that this curve here will kind of speed pink up more. You know, but can you play it again? You know, like just show a bit, like what happened with pink. Like, how did it lost out?
I think the problem with pink here is it bounces right here when it comes off.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
So any bouncing is just
losing,
not good.
It's losing some of its forward momentum.
Yeah, so any bouncing is just not good.
Whereas, so pink and red both bounce. So pink and red are about the same location.
So
and
initially,
blue and green are about the same location.
right? Look, I mean, initially they're actually leading, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they're moving faster down this curve
Yes, that's right.
than the linear ramps. But then I think the problem you have is they start bouncing,
Yeah.
and especially red once it gets to the bottom of the second one. Oh, sorry, it's going to bounce again. So
Yeah.
and I think like when it comes off of this ramp, it doesn't follow the entire curve, so it hits and now it's going to bounce in here a bit as well.
Yeah, that's what I guess. I mean, I thought that red might kind of like overshoot the ramp a bit, so it's gonna be flying, and then you actually bounce on that second curve right there. Yeah, and so I'm pretty sure that red will be last. Now I thought that the curve ramp at the initial part might actually propel pink like faster, but I guess not still.
So it does initially, but then I think the bouncing makes it slow down.
Yeah, yeah.
Whereas green is just basically
Yeah,
attached to
ramp all
the
the
track
way
the entire
yeah,
time.
yeah. So why did blue win then? Huh? Let's see. Why is
Blue didn't win.
fast? No, why?
Look,
why
watch
is
blue. It because
Oh,
blue when it comes
okay.
off of this edge, it also
Yeah,
bounces
it will
as well.
lose. Yeah, okay. So I understand. So yeah, I guess that linear ramp is actually just the key to getting it faster. Without bouncing.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
because the linear ramp is just creating a constant
Yeah.
attachment between the ball and the path.
Right. Yeah. So that's important
So
in
blue-
reality, right?
Blue gets second, and so it's like red and pink both initially have too much bouncing in order to catch up with the other two.
Right. Okay, cool. That's actually a pretty nice one, Josh. I like your ramp designs.
I mean, it's something that's maybe not that intuitive, but gives you some understanding of what happens when you start to add in all these bounces.
I know. So yeah. So next week will be my turn for the ramp, and I'll have some ramps ready for you.
Maybe we'll
Gotta
have to
make it
think
very
about
different
some
for
different
this.
types of bets for next week.
Yeah, we should. Okay, man. Josh, that was fun. Well, we'll see you again in the next video. Yeah.
Okay. Take care.
Okay, take care, man. Bye.